Morning children. I hope all of you are keeping fine. So today we are going to revise lesson 1, human body, the circulatory system. In this lesson I am going to discuss some question answers today, some objective type question answers and true false. Okay. So let us revise. What is human body made up of? Human body is made up of number of organs. Okay. Then question number 2. How many parts circulatory system comprises of? Circulatory system comprises of 3 main parts. Question number 3. What are the 2 upper chambers of the heart called? The 2 upper chambers of the heart are called auricles. Question number 4. What are the 2 lower chambers of the heart called? The 2 lower chambers of the heart are called ventricles. Okay. Question number 5. What is the main function of the heart? The main function of the heart is circulation of blood. Question number 6. What is the average pulse rate of an adult human being? It is 72 times per minute. Question number 7. How many types of cells are present in the blood? As you know, there are 3 types of cells present in the blood. What is the main function of the arteries except the lung artery which carries impure blood? So the main function of the arteries is to carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to different body parts. Number 9. Where valves are present? So valves are present in veins. Question number 10. What is the work of the left auricle? So the work of the left auricle is to receive blood from the lungs. So here I gave you 10 question and answers we discussed. Now we are going to discuss true and false. Okay. Now you say me, respiratory system is an example of organ system. Yes, it's true. Respiratory system is an example of organ system. Digestive system helps in indigestion of food. Is this statement correct? It is wrong. It is false. Because digestive system helps in digestion of food. Okay. Number 3. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and water are also transported by circulatory system. Yes, it's true. Gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and water are also transported by circulatory system. The circulatory system comprises of 5 main parts. This is question number 4. It is false. As you know, the circulatory system comprises of 3 main parts. The question number 5. The heart is about the size of our fist. Yes, it's true. Our heart is about the size of our fist. Number 6. The human body is 2-chambered. It's false. Question number 6 is the human heart is 2-chambered. It's false. The human heart is 4-chambered. Number 7. The 2 upper chambers of the heart are called the ventricles. It's false. As you know, the answer is auricles. Number 8. The 2 lower chambers of the heart are called the auricles. So it is false. As you know, the answer is ventricles. The lower chambers of the heart, they are known as the ventricles. Okay, you see this one. Auricles receive blood from the body. Yes, auricles receive blood from the body. It's true. Number 10. Ventricles pump blood throughout the body. This is also true because ventricles, they pump blood throughout the body. Valves are present in arteries. This is false. Valves are not present in arteries. Valves are present in veins. Number 12. Valves are present in the veins. So this is true. Number 13. You see capillaries are extremely thin walled. This is also true. Capillaries are very thin walled. Number 14. There are 3 types of cells present in the blood. Yes, it's true. There are 3 types of cells present in the blood. Number 15. inside the body blood do not flow through a network of tubes and channels. This is false, because inside the body blood flows through a network of tubes and channels. Okay children, so we have discussed some question answers and true and false. Now let us discuss the definitions of organ system. What is an organ system? In the form of a question also you can say, in the form of definition also you can say. So organ system is a group of organs that work together to carry out a particular function. What is circulatory system? The system that helps in the transportation of substances to and from various parts of the body. What is heart? It is the muscular organ that acts like a pump to force blood throughout the body. Auricles, you know, they are the two upper chambers of the heart. Ventricles, the two lower chambers of the heart. What is blood? It is a red color fluid which flows inside the blood vessels. What are blood vessels? It is a network of tubes and channels inside the body through which blood flows. What are arteries? The blood vessels that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different body parts, they are known as arteries. What are veins? The blood vessels that carry oxygen-deficit blood from different parts of the body to the heart, they are known as veins. So children, these are some of the important things we discussed in lesson 1, that is human body, the circulatory system. You just read the lesson once. Every question answer you will find inside the lesson. So just please go through, because the next chapter what we are going to start after a week, that is lesson 2, human body, the skeletal system. So in order to understand that system, human body, the skeletal system, you should know this chapter very nicely. Human body, the circulatory system. Okay children, keep safe, stay healthy. Thank you.